Hey everyone, and welcome to Taking It Offline. Now, hold on to your seats because we're not just stepping into tomorrow. We're activating the city of the future. Right now, where today's sci-fi becomes today's Wi-Fi. Forget about flying cars for a second. We're about to unravel how AI is quietly transforming every corner, every streetlight, every bus in our cities into geniuses. Let's go. Think your smartphone is smart? Let's talk about entire cities leveling up. In our AI video series, we've mastered the basics of AI, but now we're scaling it and learning about integrations of AI into everyday life. That's huge. From the streets of Seoul that know your walking pace to San Francisco's waste bins that give trash talk a whole new meaning. Get ready for a tech upgrade that's reshaping urban life as we know it. So, what is a smart city? It's like giving your city a brain upgrade, making it a neural network of services and sustainability. With a staggering global market value set to hit $2.5 trillion by 2025, we're on the brink of a revolution led by data and digits. Now, let's dive into some real-world examples. In Barcelona, smart lighting systems save the city $37 million annually and reduce the energy used by 30%. And Singapore, their AI-driven traffic management not only eases congestion, but also aims to cut down travel time during rush hour by up to 20%. Less traffic means more YouTube time. But let's bring it back home to the US. While we marvel at Barcelona and Singapore, you might wonder, where does the US stand in the smart revolution? The truth is, it's a mixed bag. Cities like New York and Boston are pushing forward with initiatives like turning old phone booths into Wi-Fi kiosks and testing self-driving cars for an autonomous future. However, we're a patchwork of progress. With every city writing its own tech tale, we are lacking national momentum. That's just my opinion. Now, when we glance over at China, we see a different story. Cities like Shanghai are pioneering city brain projects using AI to manage everything from traffic to emergency responses. The US is catching up though. Columbus, Ohio, for example, I know, no one would have guessed Ohio, was the winner of the Smart City Challenge. Columbus is electrifying with vehicle charging stations and smart traffic lights. The next plans, it's about scaling up. The US Department of Transportation is investing millions in smart tech research. We're envisioning cities with autonomous public transit, energy-efficient buildings, and smart grids chatting with your electric cars. The goal? To morph US cities into living organisms, adaptive, responsive, and sustainable. So, are you ready to live in a city that's smarter than a fifth grader? Well, the race is on, and the US might just have the turtle's edge, slow and steady, with the promise of a sprint. Let's talk about this in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this video with people that don't believe this is a reality. And as always, I'm taking it offline. This is Parth, signing off. Until next time.